we agreed to have talks with Ukrainians. The first round of talks took place some time ago, a couple of days ago, in Belarus.
Yes.
And I don't know the details, they were not disclosed, but according to what the head of our delegation said, that it was a useful meeting. There was some points that the sides identify that could consist a compromise. And the most important thing, they decided to meet again. So probably today there will be a second round of talks. And one of the topics could be the ceasefire. Ceasefire. But as our president stated, our main goal is to demilitarize and denazify Ukraine. We can do it with different ways. We hoped that we could do it diplomatically or now with this operation.
Madam Ambassador, menurut perkiraan Anda, apakah perang ini akan berlarut-larut dan sampai menjadikan perang dunia ketiga atau tidak?
I'm not a military expert. I just can say what we wish for. We wish for this conflict to end as soon as possible because we don't want Ukrainians or Russians to suffer. We don't want civilians to suffer. You know, our Ministry of Defense stated many times that we are not targeting civilians. We're targeting only military infrastructure in Ukraine. We're being very careful. One of the military experts said that we're tiptoeing into Ukraine. You know, you remember what Americans did. They had these carpet bombings first, where when they invaded many foreign countries. We just named a few, but actually there were much more. Carpet bombing the country, destroying everything, like they did in Yugoslavia, destroying everything, civilian schools, hospitals, bridges, and then rolling in. That's not the way our military forces are doing it. They're being very carefully not to harm civilians. If a city is surrounded, there is always a humanitarian passage being open and everyone can leave. Everyone who wishes can leave. But the Ukrainians are preventing that. They're using the civilian population as human shields. And that is terrible, of course. So from our point of view, this conflict should be resolved as soon as possible, but not until the targets that we're setting could be achieved.